students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit and fine, and I'm sure you are excited to learn with me. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SHT teacher, and today I am going to begin with the chapter 11, which is occupations. So, what do you understand by occupations? Occupations are the jobs to serve society and earn their living. So, those jobs which are done to make money or to earn money or to earn their living, those are called occupations. There are different types of occupations like doctor, teacher, engineer, plumber, etc. So, let's begin with this chapter build up. Look at the pictures below. Can you name these occupations? Talk with your classmates about which jobs people in your family or neighborhood do. So, you have to look the pictures carefully and name their occupations. In the first picture, you can see this man is wearing a policeman uniform. So, this is a policeman. Next picture is of a soldier. Likewise, you can do the remaining two. Now, moving to the first topic, which is occupations. Occupations are jobs done by people to serve society. In return, people get money for their jobs they do. Such jobs done for money are called occupations. So, the jobs which are done for money, the jobs which are done by people to serve society, that is called occupations. We have different kinds of occupations. First, we will discuss about primary occupations. Primary occupation is the occupation by which people earn money. These jobs are based on the education, training, skills and ability. People do different jobs to earn money. These jobs are based on their education, training, skills and ability to work. Some common primary occupations are. So, the jobs which are based on education, training, skills and ability to work. Such jobs are called primary occupations. Some examples of primary occupations are farmers. Grow food, grains, vegetables and fruits. Most of India's population lives in villages. Farming is the main occupation for them. Now, next occupation is secondary occupation. Secondary occupation is a type of occupation in which we convert raw material into some useful goods. Secondary occupation involves transforming raw materials into goods. For example, तो सेकेंडरी ऑक्यूपेशन एक इस टाइप के ऑक्यूपेशन है जिसमें हम किसी भी रॉ मटेरियल को यूजफुल गुड्स में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, कॉटन इज मेड फ्रॉम क्लॉथ. तो कॉटन क्या है, हमारा एक रॉ मटेरियल है, उसे हमने क्लॉथ में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. गोल्ड इज मेड इनटू ऑर्नामेंट्स एंड coins. Steel is used to make cars. Like this. Some examples of secondary occupation include manufacturing, making products from raw material. तो raw material से products बनाना भी क्या है, एक secondary occupation. Construction, building structures like houses and buildings. So construction is also an example of secondary occupation. Textile industry, where making cloths and fabrics from different types of fabrics like cotton, silk, etc. Automobile assembly, making cars and other vehicles. Food processing, making food products from raw ingredients like vegetables, fruits, etc. Engineers design and build machines, structures and systems. Now, the third type of occupation is a tertiary occupation. Tertiary occupation is a type of occupation in which we provide services rather than goods. Tertiary occupation involve providing services rather than goods. Some examples of tertiary occupation include, तो ऐसी ऑक्यूपेशंस जो कि सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती हैं उन्हें हम टर्शियरी ऑक्यूपेशन कहते हैं. फर्स्ट इज डॉक्टर, प्रोवाइड मेडिकल केयर टू पीपल, लोगों का इलाज करते हैं. पुलिसमैन, मेंटेनिंग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर एंड कीप पीपल सेफ, लॉ और ऑर्डर मेंटेन करते हैं एक सोसाइटी में. ड्राइवर्स ड्राइव व्हीकल लाइक कार्स, बसेज एंड लॉरीज. टीचर प्रोवाइड एजुकेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग टू ऑल दी चिल्ड्रन. नाउ, the common Indian occupation. So, the common occupations which are done in India. Let's see which are these. In rural areas, farming and animal rearing are common. In coastal areas, fishing is a major occupation. Urban areas, job in information technology, banking, textile and apparel sectors are common. So, in इंडिया के भी अलग अलग रीजन्स में अलग अलग तरीके की ऑक्यूपेशन होती है. लाइक इन रूरल एरियाज फार्मिंग एंड एनिमल रियरिंग कॉमन है. अर्बन एरियाज में जॉब्स इन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, बैंकिंग एंड टेक्सटाइल्स इज कॉमन. एंड इन कोस्टल एरियाज फिशिंग इज द मेजर ऑक्यूपेशन. वी विल ऑल डिस्कस इट वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट फार्मिंग which is common in rural areas. Farming is the most important occupation in India. Farmers grow different types of food grains, vegetables and fruits. They also grow cotton, sugarcane, tea, jute and groundnuts. For a good crop, Farmers need flat land, fertile soil and plenty of water for irrigation. The type of crops grown depends on the climate and soil. So farming जो है वो important occupation है इंडिया के रूरल एरिया में. Farmers different types की crops grow करते हैं like food grain, vegetables and fruits. They also grow cotton, textile, tea, jute, groundnuts. Good crop के लिए farmers को एक flat land, fertile soil और plenty of water needed होता है. नाउ क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन डिफरेंट रीजन, अलग अलग रीजन्स के हिसाब से और उनके क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स ग्रो करी जाती है. इन नॉर्थ इंडिया वीट, शुगर केन एंड मस्टर्ड आर मोस्टली ग्रोन. इन साउथ इंडिया राइस, टी एंड स्पाइसेस आर ग्रोन. इन वेस्ट इंडिया कॉटन, ग्राउंडनट एंड मिलेट्स आर ग्रोन. इन ईस्ट इंडिया जूट, राइस एंड वेजिटेबल्स आर ग्रोन. नाउ many industries depends on farming, like cotton mills make cloth from cotton, so it is also depending on farming. Tea processing sells tea processing sells processed tea leaves. Sugar mills make sugar and jaggery from sugarcane. Jute mills make bags and ropes from jute. Oil mills make cooking oil from groundnut, mustard and sunflower seeds. तो ये जितनी भी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं या फिर मिल्स हैं वो सभी डिपेंड करती हैं फार्मिंग पे, या फिर या हम कह सकते हैं फार्मिंग के रॉ मटेरियल पे जिससे वो गुड्स कन्वर्ट करती हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज कैटल रियरिंग विच इज ऑल्सो कॉमन इन रूरल एरियाज इन इंडिया. Cattle rearing depends on farming. Cattle like cows and buffaloes gives us milk. They are reared on big farms which is called dairy farming. Bullocks are used to plough the fields. So cattle rearing भी farming पे depend करती है. Cattle जैसे कि cows and buffaloes वो हमें milk देती हैं, उन्हें big farms पे rear किया जाता है which is called, जिसको हम dairy farming भी कहते हैं. Bullocks are also used to plough the fields. Now poultry farming. Many farmers set up poultry farms to get eggs and meat from hens and ducks. Ships are reared in dry and hilly areas for wools. So poultry farming ऐसी farming होती है जिसमें farmers poultry farms set करते हैं अपने eggs और meats के लिए which they get from hens and ducks. Sheep are reared in dry and hilly areas for wool. Now next is forest related occupations. So occupations which are related to forest. What are those? Some parts of our country are covered with thick forest. Many people work in this forest. Some of them collect gum and herbs. Some cut wood. Some people collect latex from rubber trees. It is used to make rubber. So in our country India, some parts of forest are covered with thick trees. Many people work in this forest. कुछ इसमें से क्या करते हैं, gums और herbs वगैरह को collect करके some cut wood and then they used in their further purposes. Now it's the time of act and learn. Look at the picture and answer the following question. Who is this? In this picture, you can identify. So, the answer will be, who is he? He is a firefighter. Now, next occupation which is fishing. Fishing is main occupation in coastal areas. Fishing is the main occupation of people living in coastal areas. Fish are a main source of food. Fish oil is extracted from some special kinds of fish. Fish are salted and packed in tins for selling at far off places. So fish जो है वो main occupation है coastal areas में where seas and oceans are mainly found. Fishes एक मेन सोर्स ऑफ फूड है. फिश ऑयल को एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है कुछ स्पेशल काइंड्स ऑफ फिशेस से. देन दे आर यूज्ड इन फर्दर पर्पसेस. फिश आर सॉल्टेड एंड देन पैक्ड इन टिन्स फॉर सेलिंग एट फार ऑफ प्लेसेस. नाउ next occupation is mining. India is rich in mineral resources. Minerals like coal, petroleum, mica and iron are found in many parts of country. People in these areas engaged in mining. Metals like iron, aluminium and copper are used for making machines, railway engines and transport vehicles. So India जो है वो minerals में भी, mineral resources में भी बहुत rich है. Minerals जैसे कि coal, petroleum, mica और iron भी many parts of India में पाए जाते हैं. पीपल जो इस एरियाज में रहते हैं आर इंगेज्ड इन, मोस्टली इंगेज्ड होते हैं माइनिंग में. मेटल्स जैसे कि आयरन, एल्यूमिनियम, कॉपर यूज किए जाते हैं फॉर मेकिंग मशीन्स, रेलवे इंजन्स एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल्स. नाउ important minerals in India. So what are the important minerals used in India? First is coal, which is used for generating electricity. Next is petroleum, used to make fuel for vehicles. Mica used in electrical equipment. Mica को यूज किया जाता है इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट में. आयरन यूज टू मेक स्टील एंड मशीन्स. आयरन से हम स्टील और मशीन्स बनाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज एल्यूमिनियम यूज्ड इन मेकिंग एरोप्लेन्स एंड कार्स. कॉपर जिसको यूज किया जाता है इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरिंग में. Now, next heading, which is handicrafts. What are handicrafts? Traditional items which are made by hand. Handicrafts are traditional items made by hand. These includes poetry, weaving, embroidery and jewelry making. Handicrafts are an important occupation in many parts of India, providing income and preserving cultural heritage. तो handicraft भी एक important occupation है in some parts of India. Handicraft provide income and preserve cultural heritage. What are handicrafts? Traditional items which are made by hand like poetry, weaving, embroidery, etc. Now, the textile industry, which is textile industry which makes fabrics and clothing. The textile industry involves making fabrics and clothing. India is famous for its beautiful silk and cotton fabrics. Many people work in textile mills, dyeing units and garment factories. This industry plays a crucial role in Indian economy. So textile industry जो है वो mainly fabrics और clothing करती है. इंडिया जो है वो अपनी ब्यूटीफुल सिल्क और कॉटन फैब्रिक्स के लिए फेमस है. बहुत से पीपल जो हैं वो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में वर्क करते हैं. दे डाई यूनिट्स एंड गारमेंट फैक्ट्रीज. They do a job in textile industry and earn living for making their life better. Now, next occupation is banking. Banking is another common occupation in cities. Bank employees help people with their money, loans and financial transactions. Banks play a vital role in the economy by providing financial services and supporting businesses. So बैंक जो है वो another common occupation है cities में. बैंक के employees जो हैं वो लोगों को उनकी मनी में, लोन्स और फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन्स में मदद करती है. बैंक एक वाइटल रोल प्ले करता है इन इकोनॉमी बाय प्रोवाइडिंग फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज एंड सपोर्टिंग बिजनेसेस. नाउ, नेक्स्ट इज एजुकेशन सेक्टर. Teaching is a respected occupation. Teachers educate children and help them learn new things. Schools, colleges and universities need qualified teachers to provide quality education. So teaching जो है वो एक respected occupation है in which teachers educate children and help them to learn new things and new skills. जो भी हमारे स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस और यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं उन्हें क्वालिफाइड टीचर चाहिए होती है क्वालिटी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए. नाउ, नेक्स्ट ऑक्यूपेशन इज हेल्थ केयर. Doctors, nurses and other healthcare professions works in hospitals and clinics. They treat sick people and keep them healthy. Healthcare is an essential occupation for the well-being of the society. So जो भी हमारे डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज या अदर हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशंस है वो हॉस्पिटल्स और क्लिनिक्स में वर्क करते हैं. वो सिक पीपल को ट्रीट करके उन्हें हेल्दी बनाते हैं. हेल्थ केयर एक असेंशियल इंपॉर्टेंट है, एक असेंशियल ऑक्यूपेशन है हमारी सोसाइटी के वेलफेयर और वेलबींग के लिए. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द टॉपिक्स. नाउ मूविंग टू द वोकैबुलरी. फर्स्ट इज टेक्सटाइल. क्लॉथ और फैब्रिक यूज टू मेक क्लोथ्स. तो टेक्सटाइल क्या है? हमारा क्लॉथ या फैब्रिक जिससे हम कपड़े बनाते हैं. इरिगेशन, सप्लाइंग वाटर टू क्रॉप्स फॉर फार्मिंग. जब हम वाटर सप्लाई करते हैं अपनी क्रॉप्स को फार्मिंग के लिए. रीजन, अ लार्ज एरिया ऑफ लैंड विद सिमिलर फीचर्स. रीजन यानी एक लार्ज एरिया ऑफ लैंड जिसके कुछ सिमिलर फीचर्स है. रियर्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ एनिमल्स सो दे ग्रो वेल. Now let us quickly recall what we have learned in this chapter with some of the amazing summary points. Occupations are jobs done by people to serve society and earn money. People do different jobs to earn money like engineer, doctor, nurses, etc. Cattle rearing depends on farming. Handicrafts are traditional items made by hand. Now exercise time. Think and answer. First exercise. Tick the correct occupation. What is the main occupation of people living in villages? Banking, construction or farming. Option number C, farming. Which of the following is a secondary occupation? Manufacturing, fishing or teaching. So which is secondary occupation? Manufacturing. What do poultry farms mainly get hens and ducks from? Wool, eggs and meat or jute? Option number B, eggs and meat. Which mineral is used to generate electricity? Aluminium, coal or mica. So कौन से मिनरल को यूज किया जाता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करने के लिए? कोल. Next exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Doctor treats sick people and help them remain healthy. Dash rearing depends on farming. Cattle rearing. Handicrafts are traditional items made by hand. Dash is used to make fuel for vehicles. Petroleum. Next exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. Mica is used in electrical equipment. Yes, this is true. Fishes are only used as wool. Fishes are only used as food and cannot be used for anything else. No, this statement is incorrect. Fishes can be used for other purposes also. Bullocks are used to plow fields. Yes, this is true. Teachers are part of healthcare sector. No, this is false. That's all for today. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in our next class. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Bye bye, students.